I can see the look on your face. You like step back from you.
Okay, Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. We have Dean's deck opened up here, and this deck was never sloped properly. This was a leaking tile deck and ponded in the middle and caused leaks. So now the whole floor is opened up, and we're looking at, unfortunately, pretty interesting botch job on the way this whole thing was framed. I can't even begin to describe how it was done. You get 2x12 joists coming out of the wall, and then they were notched down, and they sister up other joists next to them, and they put sleepers next to it. Anyway, it was never done properly, so we're going to kind of reslope this whole floor. We're going to get new joists in here, or new sleeper joists up to next to these. Going to block it all properly, structurally reinforce it, and kind of get this deck sound again, and then ultimately resheet it with a new subfloor and get our surface prepared for putting in the DuraDeck. And then ultimately, as any good thorough job will have to have done, these doors are going to get pulled so we can get proper door pan flashing put in here, and the door pan flashing will be counter flashed against our DuraDeck membrane underneath, so there's no place for any of this to leak. So you can see the stucco walls are also opened up. We've got to come up a good 4 to 6 inches up each wall here before we close up the stucco to bring our membrane up here to get this properly waterproof. So this is another waterproof deck project by Golden Gate Enterprises here. We specialize in doing this throughout the San Francisco Bay Area, and this was a stone tile deck. You can see the stone on the stairways there, and most of these have to end up being fully torn up and redone. So we'll keep you posted on this project, and this is another video update from Paul and the crew out here beginning work. Thanks, Golden Gate Enterprises, your San Francisco Bay Area general contractor specializing in decks, waterproof deck projects, remodels, additions. Give us a call. Thanks.